From October 12 to 15, investors, market watchers, analysts, and letter writers descended on the Big Easy for the 4-day New Orleans Investment Conference. Now, in its 48th year, the event focused largely on what's next for the broader economy and how to prepare for another potential black swan moment. The Investing News Network team was on the show floor speaking with experts and taking in panels and presentations. Here's a look at the key themes that emerged. Gold and silver have disappointed investors in 2022, but many speakers at the conference think better prices are on the way. There is a widespread belief that the U.S. Federal Reserve will be forced to pause its rate hikes or even change direction entirely and start to decrease rates. The idea is that this will provide precious metals with momentum. Jeff Clark of thegoldadvisor.com told the audience at his talk that it's important to position in gold and silver stocks before that happens. He said, "You probably should buy some gold stocks because if gold rises, gold mining stocks are going to rise. If silver rises, silver mining stocks are going to rise." Some commentators shared dire views about the future of the U.S. economy. Mark Skousen of Forecasts and Strategies anticipates that the Fed will raise rates until a debt crisis in emerging markets appears, at which point it will have to pivot. I'm predicting by the next New Orleans conference, we're going to have a financial crisis. We're going to have an emerging market debt or real estate crash or what have you that will cause the Fed to pause, if not cut interest rates, Skousen told the audience during a panel discussion. And if I'm proven wrong, I will eat my hat. Skousen was far from the only person to mention debt. Brien Lundin, who hosts the New Orleans Investment Conference, said for him it's the cost of servicing the U.S. federal debt that concerns him the most. The third quarter numbers are going to come out on October 27, and I think it could be a number that's really shocking to the markets, Lundin told INN. The Q3 number has since been released, and it clocked in at a whopping $736.5 billion US dollars. While the tone of the event was somber at times, there was also a sense of opportunity. James Stack of Investech Research reminded investors that it's possible to make money in all types of environments by looking to the past for guidance. Don't make investment decisions based on your outlook for inflation, he said. Some of the best investment periods have come when inflation is at its highest. Thanks for watching. Leave us a comment to share your thoughts on the topics discussed in New Orleans. And if you want more coverage of the conference, click below for our playlist of expert interviews filmed at the event.